Hello, you beautiful, happy Cricut crafters. Yeah, I'm experimenting with gratings. But anyways, greetings to you all. This is Robin again. I'm going to be showing you the wonderful thing called welding. Now, welding is different, and I don't use it a lot. I prefer the attach button, which I'll go over both in different videos. But welding is nice if you need to remake a shape. So for example, and I will do a video specifically on how to remake a shape, but this time we're just going to talk about welding. So let's say, for example, you want to make a house. Right now I've got a blank canvas. It even says untitled because I haven't done anything yet. If you don't know how to get to this point on Design Space, please watch my other videos, and I'll probably make another video on that, who knows. But we're going to go to basic shapes just because that's free for everyone. Let's say, for example, you wanted to make the little house shape, just the square and the triangle. Now, for some reason, the triangle is a little bit bigger than the square. You know what? That is going to bug me. I didn't think it would, but it is. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. You see the arrows here? I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And yeah, it's still a little too big in my, just because I want it to line up perfectly. I will talk about sizing later. I just prefer to use this, but that's also because I like to eyeball things. You can adjust the sizing here. So I'm sure that there are a lot of you out there who are super particular and are still worried about that edge, and I'm going to try to make it as clean as I can, just for everybody's sake. Okay, so we've got that. Now what I'm going to do, and again, I know it's not perfect, sorry, and I'm doing this through my camera, so I can't see it perfectly, but anyways. So I'm going to drag and drop a temporary square over that. That's what we're going to call it. Now I'm going to go over here, and you see there's slice, weld, attach, or flatten. Please don't click on the flatten button. Please don't click on the flatten button unless you know what you're doing and why it's there. Please don't click on it. That's not going to help you. It's going to make things harder for everyone. So in this case, we're going to click on the weld. So I'm going to click on that and show you what happens. There. Now, no matter what, this is always going to be attached. And instead of saying triangle and square over here, it says weld result. Now, if it's not perfect, you can go through and slice it, or you can hit the handy dandy undo button right here. And it gets rid of that. And now I can move them apart again. Or I can hit undo, and they're back together again. This button should be everybody's best friend. I cannot stress enough how much I love this button. And this button is also available when you're uploading images. Nobody's perfect, and this is the way that we can all make ourselves look a little bit more perfect. Or a little less bad, however you choose to see it. But that is weld very simply. There is going to be times where I do cover what weld is a little bit more, or I use it in tools and other tutorials, but that is weld in a nutshell. Have a great day. Happy crafting. Thank you for watching. Bye.